Ahmed. I play music during the war in Syria, in Yarmouk camp. I am Palestinian refugee from Syria and now I living in Germany. It's a pleasure for me to coming to Barcelona in the 3rd of March and to play in Conservatorium of Music in Barcelona. It's a very big pleasure for me. See you there and all invited. Do he talks, Joe he talko.
نسيت صوتي صورتي حتى مكاني نسيت شق الطريق إلى السماء إلى الإنسان إلى المجد الذي كان نسيت